Alright, so here we are. Carlton's having his trees cut down, so we're gonna zoom in a little bit here and watch the machinery. You can see it's back there. And he's grabbing the trees, cutting them, and carrying them while the tree is still standing straight up in the air. And then he's bringing them back out. You can see he's got the pile of them here ready to go, right there. And you go back over here, there's the truck ready to load up. There's your other equipment coming in there. Zoom in for you a minute. He's bringing in another piece of equipment. So I'll zoom back out. This is basically the road that they've cut into the road coming from out here. There's the new equipment. That's probably what they're going to use to load it up on the semi-truck, so I'm assuming. I'm going to go back out here and zoom in on these trees. That's the trees picking up right now. It's hard to see through this other equipment right now. Zoom back out. And that's it.